Are you tired of your Discord server looking plain and boring? Learn how to add emojis to channel names in under 2 minutes. First, I'll show you how to access your channel settings, then how to open the emoji picker, and finally, save your changes. First, head over to Discord and make sure you're in the server where you want to rename a channel. Now, hover your mouse over the channel you want to edit and click the gear icon that appears. That's the Edit Channel button. In the channel name field, open the emoji picker. On Windows, you can press the Windows key plus period or semicolon to bring up the emoji menu. Once you've added your emoji, just click Save Changes and you're all set. Your channel now has a fun emoji in its name. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.